Imwalimu nunepeka isishak. Keside pole yalo ngongono yotumano somero ngunu kakodonyo primary school. Nepeka Musa sanude julu natare kokolak. Iroti ni kecha tubito yotumano someroi.
They brought some soldiers who were guarding, and when the thing reduced, those soldiers were taken back, and you see again, the insecurity situation has also increased again.
These bandits here have made the school premises a battleground. When the soldiers come after the raid has happened, this is where they pass. And when they reach school, they start firing the bullets, which causes disorganization in the school. And the learning is also cut at that time.
They do not have their own timetable. They come at any time, and when they come when they are armed, and they just cross.
To go home, I said, my children are there, and I'm dying from here. Yet the government has employed us here to work, but we are supposed to work everywhere in the country. But that is a situation whereby you work under fear, under pressures. You work, you are just quaking.
It happened, these warriors passed the very side where I'm conducting athletics. Then I stopped conducting athletics up to date. I'm not myself up to date, I fear.
Kama mdisomero ile gwa untere. Ikokola kakezde tapita tubitoi otomam. Idone duchiri ya mnotori nepeka Ejiore. Ejiosulu itosoma itimudu nepeka ibomun. Ido mame podo sebe jasi tungatomano somerolo.
I only had the learners because I was in the house, alarming that warriors. So when I was coming out, they were already passing by in the school field, crossing with the animals, and there were very many, and all of them were armed. So as turning behind, I just bent, the bullet passed over my head. So I missed that gunshot there. And the warrior who remained behind this way shoot 3 bullets towards the children as he came. They started the bomb. One bomb landed behind that. There's a small homestead as we were coming next to our quarters. One landed there. Then that one and this one landed here. Then there is somewhere there you see burnt. There was another one there. So these ones all bring trauma and worry to us.
Eruruok nyeside dupo idwe jaleta shoman ido tomano Musas primary. Abonge namba lo desisha kanyono tomane lukumit. Ito na kwataka nyape ido tomana ngoni paran. Esisaka akwatatabon kesde losenento somero.
So as we talk right now, the number of children in the school has reduced. It used to be 300 there, 400 as the attendance. But right now, the attendance is fluctuating.
Engare no kolu isomera lo kesde lipata puga gwaikini kese somero nepeka domakin Ejiore na debu na yuari tekesi.
I want to appeal to the government to provide us with some security that monitors the school.
Security in Karamoja is alarming, and it is affecting the functionality of our schools. We have really tried our level best to contain our teachers, to tell our teachers to be patient, so that the government can sort out the ways of restoring peace to their schools.
Ida pedrosho nudo morotom kesde sumuno tayuar isomero ilum otomana pak anada esupana.
Government, we think we're going to have a meeting tomorrow to consider that security concern and the security concern of Moroto Municipal Council. That's where criminality is highest. But we also want to consider a request by the school that there should be a deployment.
So it is a matter of the school administration, whether they want soldiers within the school compound or what exactly, what do they want. But in the schools mentioned, Kodonyo, Musasi, we have soldiers there. I think I'm going to visit the schools and meet with the administration of the school and to listen to them and see exactly what is the problem.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Moroto.